Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Rahela Ferdousee, Assistant Teacher English Day Shift. Today we are going to have a class with the students of class 7. Our today's subject is physical education. Our today's topic is chapter 1. We will read today lesson 1 to 4. Our today's lecture number is 1. Okay, let us come to our class. This is our physical education and health book of class 7. Today we will do chapter 1. Chapter 1 name is physical exercise and healthy life. There is a close relationship between body and mind. Because of this relationship, the mental, social, and moral development of a person is connected to his physical development. Physical fitness, mental recreation, sense of discipline, and ability to have leadership can be achieved through the exercise of different parts of the body and also participation in games and sports. The main object of these exercises is to lead a healthy life through the attainment of the physical capability as well as the accomplishment of physical and mental development. At the end of this chapter, we will have to learn to, number 1, describe the rules and regulations of daily assembly at the school, maintaining the sequence. Number 2, describe the primary health care for healthy life. Number 3, analyze the impact of physical exercise for building a strong body structure. Number 4, explain the bad effects of excessive physical exercise. Number 5, describe the procedures of exercise with and without equipments. Number 6, be inspired to maintain regularity in day-to-day life. Number 7, practice Brahmachari dance. Number 8, exercise with equipments following the rules. Lesson 1. The rules to be followed for daily assembly. The students of the school will attend a gathering organized every day in front of the school or in open spaces of the schools. They will assemble themselves in lines with discipline before starting the classes. They will stand according to their own houses or classes. The headmaster, class teacher, physical education teacher, and the students conducting the assembly will take positions in their respective places. The students who are short in height will stand in front, and the taller ones will stand behind them gradually. Sequential activities of daily assembly. Number 1. Hoisting of national flag. Everybody will be at attention position during the hoisting of national flag. Nobody will move. The headmaster or a senior teacher will hoist the flag. Number 2, saluting the national flag. When the conducting student of the assembly will announce, show respect to the national flag, all the students will salute the flag by raising right hands to the forehead together. They will put down the hands together with the command of put down your hands. Number 3, recitation from the Holy Book. A student will recite a selected part from the Holy Book of his own religion. Other students will listen attentively. At this time, all the students will be stand at ease position. Number 4, taking oath. The students will be at attention position at the time of taking oath. They will raise right hands up to the shoulder. The palms will remain open, but the fingers will be joined together. A student will read the oath aloud, and all the students will follow him reciting the oath. After the end of the oath taking, all the students will put down the hands together with the command of put down the hands. Number 5, national anthem. All the teachers and the students will be at attention position and will sing the national anthem at chorus. Number 6, the speech of the headmaster. The headmaster, or in his absence, any senior teacher will deliver the concluding speech. Number 7, physical exercise. After the speech, physical teacher will command the students to take part in physical exercises only for 5 minutes. The exercise will be simple so that the uniforms of the students do not get dirty. Number 8. The students will go to their respective classes at the end of the assembly. They will follow their class teachers or class captains in a disciplined way. In lesson 2, we will know concept of primary health care. In order to lead a healthy life, it is necessary to observe some essential health rules for maintaining personal health. These rules are related to primary health care. The knowledge acquired to maintain good health needs to be applied in the different fields of life to improve the standard of life. Besides, awareness is also to be built up to acquire good health. An individual person will have to follow the rules of healthcare if he intends to keep a good health. The rules related to primary health care are stated below. Number 1. Physical cleanliness. We should keep ourselves clean physically for preventing us from the attack of diseases. Germs find an easy way to enter the body if anyone remains unclean or dirty. Rules regarding the maintenance of cleanliness should be followed. The rules are 1.1. Taking bath regularly. Body becomes dirty during the participation in various physical activities, games and sports. Germs of diseases enter the body when it becomes dirty. In order to make the body clean, it is necessary to take bath regularly. It is good to use soap during bath so as to remove the dirt and offensive smell of sweating easily. 1.2. Cleaning teeth and mouth. Teeth and mouth should be cleaned properly after rising from sleep in the morning and after taking meal. If teeth are not brushed, the mouth smells bad and teeth are damaged as the food particles are stored at the gaps of tooth. Teeth should also be cleaned before going to bed at night. 1.3. Caring the hair. It is not only for beauty but for cleanliness also. Proper care of hair should be taken. It is good to comb hair regularly after taking bath. This makes the root of hair strong. At least twice a week, the hair should be washed with shampoo or soap. 1.5. Paring nails. Fingernails should be pared when it grows a little. If nails are not pared, dirt gathers inside the nails and it enters the body during the time of taking meals. This causes various stomach diseases. 1.5. Cleaning hands. We hold things and work with hands. The hands become dirty. It is not desirable to take food with the dirty hands. Hands also be washed properly before and after taking food every time. And in the corona situation, COVID-19 situation, we should be more careful to wash our hand. 1.6. Defecation. It is good to defecate after leaving the bed in the morning. The pressure for defecation should never be suppressed. Fruits and vegetables should be included in daily diet chart. The intake of a lot of vegetables will remove constipation and will ease the defecation. Thus, an adult person should drink around 10 to 12 glasses of water every day. Thus, the impurities are washed away from the body with the sweating and urination. Number 2. Cleanliness of household. A good number of windows and doors should be fixed in a room so that the adequate light and air can be passed through the room. The dwelling houses and its adjacent areas should be made clean always. The cemented floor of the room should be wiped and swept in every morning and evening. The unfinished floor should be smeared with liquid mud at regular intervals. If it is a building, necessary repair works are to be done regularly. Number 3. Consumption of food. In order to maintain our health, we need to take food daily in time. While taking the food in time, we are to follow certain health rules. These are 3.1. Food should be taken at particular time. 2. Rotten and stale food must not be eaten. The food which can be digested easily should be taken. Food should be eaten slowly after proper chewing. 4. Required quantity of food should be taken. Overeating should be avoided. 5. It is to be habituated to take all types of food. 6. More vegetables should be preferred in the menu of the daily meal. Number 4. Dresses. Dress enhances the grace of body and it protects body from cold and heat during different seasons. It is good to dry away the washed clothes in the sun every day. It is unhygienic to wear clothes smeared with sweating or use them for more than 2 or 3 days. Number 5. Sports and exercise. Playing games and exercises make the body healthy and strong. So one should practice games and sports and take physical exercises every day. But it should be kept in mind that excess of anything is not good. According to physical capability, one has to play and take exercises. This practice of exercises will make the body fit and the organs will be strong. Number 6. Rest and sleep. The cells of the body start decaying and get weakened when physical labor and exercises are taken. Rest and sleep are necessary to bring back the cells in previous stages. A healthy person should sleep for 7 to 8 hours a day. In this way, the cells become reinvigorated and the cells of the brain are compensated for the loss of energy. Number 7. Habits. Man is the slave of habit, but there are some habits which must be given up by us. It takes time to rectify the bad habits, so one should remain alert that one will not be accustomed to bad habits. In order to build good habits, the principles stated below should be follows. 1. Not to remain awakened at night for long. 2. Not to sleep even after the sunrise. 3. To eat moderate healthy food in time. 4. Not to defecate here and there. Number 5. Not to waste time unnecessarily. Come number lesson 3. The impact of exercise in physical fitness. The regular movement of the organs of the body for maintaining physical and mental health is known as exercise. Exercise makes the body and mind strong and keeps oneself disciplined. As a result, strength and endurance increase. Heart becomes strong, power of digestion and immunity are improved. It is necessary to select the exercise as per strength and capability of the body. Moderate exercise is helpful for the development of the body. There should not be any haste during exercise. Intermission is required while one is engaged in exercise. This rest in between the exercises adds new strength for doing more exercises. Irregular and untimely exercise is not desirable. Balanced program of physical training is necessary for harmonious growth of children's organs. The growth of bones, muscles, and other important organs takes place by practicing moderate exercise. The program of exercises will be gradually harder from the simple one for the older people. In this way, the continuity of the practices of exercise should be maintained. There will be no long intervals in the practice of physical exercises. In order to perform the exercises, the serial should be maintained for different limbs of the body. For example, the exercise will be started from the upper portion of the body and it will go down gradually. For a healthy life, physical exercise is indispensable. Physical exercise and games and sports are more important, especially for the students, because the physique of the students develops rapidly at this stage. As a result, the structure of the body and the limbs become firm. Lesson 4. Bad effects of excessive physical exercise. There is a limitation of performing all the activities during our life. Any excess out of this limitation is not good. As for example, taking too much food is harmful for health. Similarly, excessive physical exercise is also harmful for health. Further, to perform physical exercise at any time is not proper. One should take physical exercise in a fixed time, either in the morning or in the evening. It is also harmful for health to take exercise immediately after taking food. The exercise should be selected according to age and sex, such as number 1. It will be injurious rather than the development of the limbs of the children's body if they practice the exercise of lifting heavy objects. Number 2, the children will get tired if the exercise continues for more than 30 to 40 minutes. Number 3, if the exercises are taken inconsistently, such as starting the exercise from hands, then lying flat and further increasing power and strength, etc., will not be congenial to health, rather it will be harmful for the body. Number 4, physical exercise must be avoided with full stomach. If it is done immediately after taking food, abdominal pain and vomiting will occur. Number 5, the body will become fatigued if the exercise is done without break. Number 6, the body should be warmed up before doing any exercise, otherwise there may be muscle pull and accidents may occur. Number 7, at first the exercises should be started with the easy ones and gradually it should be harder, otherwise the inner parts of the body will get tired. Number 8, the exercise should not be done with empty stomach in the morning. The exercise with empty stomach will lead to vomiting and pain in abdomen. So one should select the proper exercise considering the effects of excessive exercises as mentioned above. By keeping in mind these principles of exercises, the desired physical fitness can be achieved. So my dear students, this is all for today. You must read these lessons at home and you must must gather information in your brain about these chapters, because very soon you will get the assignment on this topic. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.